Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. By default, when someone would don't follow message you on Instagram, they'll end up in a spirit request section. If you don't want message requests from unknown Instagram users, you can turn them off altogether. So how to do it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open your Instagram. From your Instagram, you can go to your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner on the three lines over here. After that, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option message and story replies. Here's on the how others can interact with you section. You can select on that and you can select on message request. And from here, so by default, we can send you message requests set to everyone. So anyone who have Instagram account, they can send you message even if they don't follow you on Instagram. So if you don't want anyone can send you message requests, maybe you only want your followers can send you message requests, you can select on your followers. And also, if you don't want anyone can send you message requests, you can just disable it. You can select on no one. And in here, after you select on no one, now no one can send you message requests on Instagram. And also you can set for who can add you to your to group chat. So by default, it's set to everyone. But if you don't want, you can just select on people that you follow or have messaged before that can add you to a group on Instagram. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable, how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.